The Boeing 747-200 was the second major production variant of the groundbreaking Boeing 747 jumbo jet family. Launched as a direct response to early operational feedback on the original 747-100, the -200 series addressed limitations in range, payload, and engine performance while retaining the iconic humpbacked upper deck design that defined the 747. It became one of the most successful and widely recognized wide-body airliners of the jet age, serving as a workhorse for both passenger and cargo operations worldwide. Boeing launched the 747 program in 1966 primarily to meet Pan Am's demand for a large, long-range airliner capable of carrying more passengers than the Boeing 707. The prototype 747, a -100, made its maiden flight on February 9, 1969, and entered commercial service with Pan Am on January 22, 1970, on the New York-London route. However, airlines quickly requested improvements for longer routes and higher payloads. Boeing responded rapidly by developing the 747-200. The variant was officially introduced in 1971 with structural reinforcements, uprated engines, increased fuel capacity, and a higher maximum takeoff weight, MTOW. These changes allowed the aircraft to fly farther and carry more passengers or cargo without sacrificing the proven wide-body layout. The first 747-200 prototype flew on October 11, 1970. It received FAA certification in December 1970, and the passenger version, 747-200B, entered service in February 1971 with KLM Royal Dutch Airlines.
Look at the corrosion here on the leading edge. It's worse than the initial report suggested.
We need to note that for the structural assessment. How are we stabilizing this rusted section? The wind up here is intense.
We follow the schematics. The stress points are highlighted right here.
Right, let's get the scaffolding secured first thing.
Check that anchor point again, it looks unstable. Roger that. Moving to inspect the fuselage connection.
Watch the left side. Clear the path down there. Clear the area below, the crane is moving in. All right, stand back, everyone.
The vibration sensor readings are still fluctuating on the number 3 mount. Pull up the schematic for that section. We might need to replace the dampener.
We actually did it. Incredible work, everyone. This plane is ready to fly again. All right, pull together now. Keep the tension steady. And heave.
Eagle 1, wind is stable at Angels 20. Copy, continuing the lift, altitude 10,000. Monitoring aircraft stability, all green.
All right, keep it coming. A little more power, hold steady now.
Ground control confirms release, you are clear to taxi.
Roger that. Departure frequency 120.5.